big change on the way overnight across central Virginia. We're already seeing areas that have been in the 70s and even 80 degrees or better, shifting to cold weather and some snow in central Tennessee, down through northern portions of Alabama. And that's what we're going to see overnight into tomorrow morning. A storm taking shape across the southeast is going to track through the Carolinas and off the Virginia coast by tomorrow afternoon. The model trends have been shifting this track a little bit farther north, holding off the cold air just a little bit longer. So it's a real tough call here for the changeover time in the metro area. And of course, potential accumulations because of the warm ground that is out there, and a lot of the snow will occur after daylight as opposed to during dark, which does have an impact. Tonight, we're looking at some rain moving in from the south now through the Tri-Cities. That's going to fill in across most of central Virginia over the next 1 to 2 hours. Right now, we are still at 56 degrees. That's the low for the day, and the wind has turned to the north now at 14 miles an hour. That's going to help to bring the colder air into the area. So the rain fills in here. This is by about 1 o'clock. We go through the nighttime hours. Notice the changeover starting to take place here to the northwest. That's by about 3 o'clock. That line will continue to shift south and eastward just before daybreak at 6 o'clock in the morning, snowing in places like Louisa up through Caroline County to Fredericksburg. A little bit of a mixture on the west side of Richmond. Meanwhile, mostly rain from the city points south and east. We move to 7 o'clock. That line just inches into the area. It still looks like a mix occurring in most of the city and points south and east, even into eastern Henrico and Hanover at about 8 o'clock. And then finally, we may go over to all snow by about 9 o'clock in the morning. And then we'll have a window of several hours here where the snow could come down heavy at times, and that snow line continues to shift to the east. This is noontime, and then by the early afternoon, that line continues to shift to the east. So we've got rain overnight. There are going to be some pretty massive puddles out there on the warm ground. That's going to play a role in potential accumulation as well, but a wintry mix right around daybreak or during the morning commute, then to snow here in the metro, more rain to the south and east where potential accumulations will be a lot lower. Snow accumulations will occur mostly on the grass, maybe your deck, on cars, but the roads, I think for the most part, at least the main roads, are going to be wet. Maybe a little slush on secondary roads, and watch the bridges and overpasses which freeze over first. A big range in snowfall accumulations because of the very warm ground. North and west areas, this is where the bullseye is going to be. Significant snow in Charlottesville through Fluvanna, Louisa, up into Caroline, parts of the northern neck. And then we have a 2 to 4 inch band. Again, this is mainly on grassy surfaces. The roads, I think, are mainly wet, but it's going to come down at a good clip, so that will impact driving in terms of visibility on the east side of the city, right through the metro, about 1 to 3 inches, and you go south of Petersburg, little, if any, accumulation. That's our best bet at this time. So rain comes down at a good clip during the overnight, eventually mixes with and changes to snow from northwest to southeast during the morning hours, and then it'll be a winter wonderland out there regardless. It's going to look impressive. Temperatures tumbling into the 30s. Wind chills will be in the teens and low 20s. Tomorrow night's a time to watch because even if the roads and driveways are wet, they'll freeze over. We get down into the upper teens to around 20. Dry for the midweek period. Maybe another system with some rain or snow showers Friday morning. Don't